think it'll be able to produce a car ultimately in less than 5 seconds. Like, can you imagine a car coming off the line in less than 5 seconds?
There's nothing that's blocking us from starting production within the timeline laid out in the opening remarks.
This isn't about waiting 5 seconds between cars. No, it's 5 seconds to fully build one. Sounds unreal, right? But somehow, Tesla is doing exactly that. So, how is this even possible? What kind of secret tech or innovation are they hiding that makes this work, while every other automaker still takes hours? In this video, we're diving deep into the jaw-dropping breakthroughs behind the most advanced car factory on Earth. And if you're into tech that bends the rules of what's possible, hit subscribe and tap the bell. We're charging toward 4,000 subscribers, and you won't want to miss what's next. Part 1. How is Tesla building the Model 2 in just 5 seconds? When Elon Musk said Tesla could build a car in under 5 seconds, most people laughed it off. Impossible, they said, because traditionally, car manufacturing takes hours, not seconds. But that's the thing. Tesla isn't playing by the old rules. They've reinvented the whole process from scratch, starting with their first massive leap, the quantum manufacturing matrix. While legacy automakers build cars step by step, like a relay race, Tesla's invented a 17-node parallel production system, where multiple processes happen at the same time. Imagine Ford and Toyota perfecting the 100-meter dash, while Tesla just created teleportation. By allowing 17 different production cells to work in sync, Tesla compresses a 60-minute build down by 99.8%. It's not just faster, it's an entirely different concept of time in manufacturing. The molecular unibody. Simpler, stronger, smarter. Next, Tesla attacked the complexity of car parts. Traditional vehicles. Over 20,000 parts. Tesla Model 2. Just 148 components. They've done this using a proprietary metal-polymer fusion process, which forms major structural parts in under a second, 0.7 seconds to be exact. Compare that to traditional welding, which takes 2 to 3 seconds per weld. Tesla's fusion bonding does entire sections in 0.03 seconds. By cutting 94.3% of assembly points, they're also eliminating that many potential failure points. Color fusion skin, reinventing the paint shop. The paint shop is one of the biggest bottlenecks in car factories until now. Tesla's breakthrough? Color fusion skin, embedding color directly into the material at the molecular level. No spray, no drying, zero waste. What normally takes 6 to 12 hours now takes 0.8 seconds. And the result? A color that can't chip, fade, or peel because it's not on the car. It is the car. Drivetrain in 1.2 seconds. Meet the neurorobotics system. Installing a drivetrain usually requires up to 18 workers and 60 minutes. Tesla? Just 48 synchronized robots and 1.2 seconds. And these aren't just any robots. They're operating at a connection accuracy of 0.0000012 millimeters, 17 times tighter than aerospace standards. They move in harmony, guided by Tesla's central AI, creating the most seamless drivetrain install in automotive history. No inspections needed, predictive manufacturing intelligence. Other automakers inspect after production. Tesla? They're way ahead. Their AI-powered system tracks every atom of the car in real time, using 18,400 sensors and collecting 42 million data points per car. Instead of detecting defects after they happen, Tesla's system predicts and corrects them as the car is being built, preventing 99.997% of defects before they even occur. Part 2. Why is Tesla's manufacturing so precise despite being the new kid? Tesla's only been building cars for around 15 years. Compare that to Ford's 120 years. So, how is Tesla running laps around the competition? Because legacy automakers evolve slowly. Tesla revolves rapidly. It's not 15 years of slow progress, it's 15 years of reinvention. While traditional brands spend up to 58% of their R&D on maintaining outdated systems, Tesla invests 91% into breakthroughs. The AI that outpaces entire teams. Most car companies rely on engineers with decades of expertise. Tesla? Their AI carries the equivalent of 14,000 years of manufacturing knowledge, and it's improving every second. While human teams make a process adjustment every few hours, Tesla's AI makes over 1,000 adjustments per second. And since Tesla's factories are networked, they learn from each other, gaining the equivalent of 248 years of production insight per day. Digital twins, perfecting the car before it exists. Before single Model 2 is physically built, it exists as a digital twin, which has already been tested over 14 million simulated miles. While old-school manufacturers rely on real-world testing, Tesla runs quantum simulations that cover the equivalent of 600-plus years of driving conditions. That's why each physical Model 2 has already been virtually perfected 12.4 million times before it's assembled. Simplicity is Tesla's secret weapon. Most luxury vehicles have over 100 control units. Tesla's Model 2? Just 3 neural processors. By stripping away complexity, instead of adding it, Tesla removes thousands of failure points and delivers industry-shattering reliability. Vertical integration, total control, total precision. Traditional automakers rely on 200-plus suppliers. Tesla builds 94% of its parts in-house, compared to the industry average of just 35%. This drastically reduces quality issues and delays. Where others face a 38% quality hit from suppliers, Tesla eliminates 97.8% of those problems. Swarm robotics, automation at a whole new level. Inspired by nature, refined by tech. Tesla uses adaptive swarm robots, self-moving, self-routing machines that react instantly to factory changes. While traditional lines grind to a halt if anything goes wrong, Tesla's system reroutes and keeps moving, achieving 98.7% uptime compared to the industry's 84.2%. Quantum sensors, inspections at the atomic level. Tesla inspects every inch of the car, not just 7% of welds like other automakers. Their sensors monitor molecular bonds, thermal stress, and atomic pressure to predict failures before they happen. The result? Cars that don't just leave the factory flawless, they leave with knowledge of when something might go wrong in the future. Conclusion: has Tesla already won the manufacturing race? Tesla's built a car in 5 seconds, and it isn't science fiction. They're not just faster. They're smarter, simpler, and quantifiably more precise. Through AI, vertical integration, digital testing, and radical simplification, Tesla's Model 2 represents not just a better product, but an entirely new category of manufacturing. So, has Tesla already crossed the finish line while everyone else is still tying their shoes? Let us know in the comments. Comment Model 2 if you believe the future is already here. Type Tesla wins if you think the race is already over. And if even one part of this video surprised or amazed you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 40,000 subscribers, and we'd love for you to be part of it.